Hello everyone, welcome back to Prime Classes. In the last video, we solved exercise 4.3, question number 1 and 2. And in this video, we are going to solve question number 3, 4 and 5, the rest of the questions of exercise 4.3. So let's start. Before that, let's do a quick recap. Quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is the formula by which we give the roots of a quadratic equation. And it is given as x is equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2a, where d is known as discriminant and it is given as b square minus 4ac. Now d is known as discriminant. Why? Because this decides the nature of the roots. अगर d का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आता है, both the roots will be real and distinct. अगर d का वैल्यू 0 आता है, both the roots will be real but both the roots will be equal. And if d's value is negative, then the roots will be complex, or it is also known as the roots will not be real roots. So the first question of today's class is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? So area is given as 800 meters square and whose length is twice its breadth. So let breadth be x. So what will be its length? Twice of the breadth, that is 2 into x. It will be 2x. Okay, this is in meter, this is also in meter. Now we know that area is 800 meters square, which is given as length into breadth. So L into B is equal to 800. Length is given as 2x and breadth is given as x is equal to 800. Now 2x square will be is equal to 800 and x square will be is equal to 800 divided by 2, that is 400. Now x square is equal to 400. If I take this x square, or if I do the square root both the sides, I'll get square root 400, or it is equal to 20. Okay, meter. So what is the value of breadth? It is 20 meters and length twice of breadth, that is 20 into 2, it will be 40 meters. Now there is one thing to notice here, that as it's a quadratic equation, एक ही वैल्यू मिल रहा है मुझे x का, बट ऐसा नहीं होता. जब भी स्क्वायर रूट के अंडर होता है, आई गेट टू वैल्यूज. आई गेट 20 का स्क्वायर एंड माइनस 20 का स्क्वायर. ओके, 20 का स्क्वायर करें तो भी 400 मिलेगा, माइनस 20 का स्क्वायर करें तो भी 400 मिलेगा, बट माइनस 20 आई कैन नॉट टेक द वैल्यू एज दिस इज रियल लाइफ बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम. और रियल लाइफ में कोई भी लेंथ और ब्रेथ का वैल्यू माइनस में हम लोग नहीं ले सकते. दैट्स व्हाई द पॉजिटिव वैल्यू 20 मीटर. So the breadth is 20 meter and the length will be 40 meters. The question is the following situation possible? So there is a situation given here and we have to decide whether it is possible or not. If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. So there are two friends जिन दोनों के एज का सम है 20 years. 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. So there are two situations. एक है present का, देखिए 4 years ago का. Okay, so in present friend 1 age, let it be x. Friend 2 age 20 minus x, and 4 years ago friend 1 age will be x minus 4 and friend 2 age will be 20 minus x minus 4. Okay, so it will be 16 minus x. So now it is being told कि ये जो 4 साल पहले जो एज था दोनों का x minus 4 and 16 minus x, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दोनों को प्रोडक्ट जो है दैट इज 48. So if I write an equation, x minus 4 and 16 minus x, दोनों का प्रोडक्ट है 48. Okay, let me simplify it. It will be 16x minus x square and 16 into 4 64 and minus plus 4x, okay, is equal to 48. If I rearrange it, I'll get minus x square, 16x and 4x, 20x, and minus 64 minus 48 is equal to 0. So minus x square plus 20x and 64 and 48, I'll get 112. Okay, so minus 112 is equal to 0. If I rearrange it, I'll get x squared plus, not plus, x squared minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Now I have to solve this quadratic equation to get the value of x, which is the age of friend 1, और जहाँ से हम लोग friend 2 का age भी निकाल सकते हैं. So the equation is x square minus 20x plus 112. The equation is x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. X square minus 20x plus 112. X square minus 20x plus 112. Yes. Now as the question is the following situation possible? So we have to find out कि क्या इसका जो ये जो quadratic equation है इसका roots real number में आ सकता है. So for that we will find discriminant b square minus 4ac b square minus 20a square minus 4 into a into 112. It will be 400 minus 4 on the 1 and it will be 400, 8, 4 and 4, 448. Okay, so if I 448, if I subtract it, I'll get minus 48. So d का value negative में मिल रहा है. So roots are not real. So in this case, this situation is not possible. Okay, क्यों? क्योंकि जो रूट्स है वो हम लोग को रियल नंबर पे नहीं मिलने वाले. दिस सिचुएशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. This is the answer. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters? So there is a rectangular park. इसका perimeter है 18 meters, 80 meters. So perimeter is 80 meter and area is 400 meter. Area is 400 meters square. If so, find its length and breadth. Okay, so we have to find out whether it is possible or not. So suppose this is breadth, this is length. So 2 into L plus B is given as perimeter, that is 80 meters. Okay, so L plus B will be 80 divided by 2. So L plus B will be 40. This is equation 1 and L into B is given as 400 मीटर स्क्वायर. दिस इज इक्वेशन 2. नाउ अगर इक्वेशन 1 से कोई एक वैल्यू उठा के हम लोग यहाँ पे रखें और यस लेट्स डू दैट. फाइंड द लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ. सो सपोज इफ आई पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ, look at equation 1. Okay, if L plus B is 40, so L will be 40 minus B. Is it okay? Now I have to put this value in equation 2. So it will be 40 minus B into B is equal to 400. Now I have to solve this. So it will be 40B minus B square minus 400 is equal to 0. If I rearrange it, rearrange and keep the sign properly. So B square minus 40B and minus 400, so it will be plus 400 is equal to 0. Now I have to find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. For this quadratic equation, b square, that is minus 40 का square minus 4 into a into c, which is 400. So 40 into 40, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 1600 and 14 4s are, yes, it is again 1600. So 0. So yes, basically this is true and ये जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है इसका रूट निकलेगा क्योंकि d का वैल्यू 0 आ रहा है. सो लेट्स फाइंड द रूट. द वैल्यू ऑफ द रूट विल बी x इज इक्वल टू माइनस b दैट इज माइनस 40 प्लस माइनस रूट d. सो रूट d 0 ही आएगा डिवाइडेड बाय 2 into a which is 1. Okay, so it will be 40 by 2 which is 20. So x, or it's better to write b here. Okay, क्योंकि इक्वेशन में b था, so I'll write here b. So breadth is 20 meters and length will be 40 minus b. 40 minus b. 40 minus 20, again 20 meter. So length and breadth will be 20 meter and 20 meter. Okay, so that's it today. This is the complete exercise 4.3. In the next class we will start another chapter of either mathematics or any other subject. Okay, so this is the last video of this chapter, quadratic equation. You can watch the full playlist to complete this chapter. So that's it for today. For more videos like this, subscribe to Prime Classes and stay updated.